Hi dear friends, welcome back to the Model Garage Islamabad. Today's unboxing brings us something straight from the German engineering perfection, the 1994 Audi Avant RS2. This one is the number 133 out of 250 and 9 out of 10 from the Factory Fresh series. A beautiful combination of the power and practicality. This model represents the very first RS car ever made by Audi. Take a look at the packaging, elegant, clean, and full of class. A metal flake, tropic green. Here it is, dear friends, the stunning Audi Avant RS2. Just look at the glossy paint job. It shines beautifully under the lighting, giving in that true factory fresh feel. The headlights and taillights are detailed. The front grille carriers the Audi badge with pride, and the overall shape of this casting is just spot on. It rides on the 5-spoke silver wheels that match perfectly with the body tone. The base is black plastic, the windows are clear, and the interior is full of details. Some features, sporty seats, and a full dashboard. This casting is designed by Riva Seda, and this one is the seventh release. It's a simple yet powerful model, a perfect balance of the performance and design. That's all for now, dear friends. Thank you so much for watching and for staying with the Model Garage Islamabad. Please don't go anywhere. More fresh beauties are coming your way soon.